Hi, I'm Kate, co-founder of OPTY.NC, naturopath and formulator. Today I want to talk to you about Cellular Renew, which is our whole food, gut, skin, hair and nail multi. Now when I talk about this product, whole food is a really key word. So all of our nutrients are extracted from natural food-sourced, food-based sources. So we're not using in synthetic versions of vitamins. So when these nutrients are wrapped up in the fruit bases from which they're extracted or the vegetable bases, there's more bioactives that help them to be absorbed, help them to be utilized by the body much better than synthetic formats. So a really important differential with our powdered multi here. So it is a powdered multi, it's a tropical mango flavor, so really delicious fruity beverage, can be added to a smoothie or can just be added to water. So this one has a multitude of benefits. Obviously being a multi, it's got all of your skin essential nutrients, but all of the nutrients that help the rest of your body to stay nourished. So it supports immune system function, nervous system function, obviously gut health as well, skin, hair and nails, joint and muscle health. We also incorporate a pre, pro and postbiotic blend into this formulation. So first and foremost, getting that gut right, that gut healthy. Then obviously once your gut's functioning properly, that just helps you to absorb more nutrients and really supercharge the rest of the formulation because you're really getting it all into the body and it's reaching those tissues where it's really necessary. So this one, because it's got that full potent blend of all of your essential vitamins and minerals, can be taken by anybody really, anybody looking to increase their nutrient intake of these bioactive nutrients. It's suitable for kids from ages 2 up, so it can be used, given to fussy eaters who might not be getting all of the nourishment in that they need from their diet. Also suitable for anybody who might be traveling, who might not always be eating, a wonderful diet or have access to the foods that they want to eat on a daily basis. So a really beautiful product to bring that baseline up, get the gut working and then get all those nutrients in to support all of those important daily functions of your skin. Remember, it's the largest organ in your body. It's very hard working. It is our first line of defense to the external environment. So what does that mean? It's exposed to UV, it's exposed to pollutants. It's always talking the immune system, the nervous system to say what's going on in our external environment. Really hard working organ that needs lots of different nutrients to make that happen every day. So make sure you're getting your skin essentials in with our Cellular Renew hair, skin and multi daily.